My name's Kurt Arbuckle. I'm an attorney in Houston, and I represent people who have been injured as a result of someone's carelessness, negligence. It could be an automobile collision. It could be the result of an injury as a result of a collision with a truck. It can be a dangerous product that's been manufactured, or it can be a dangerous condition on property, such as at a construction site. And unfortunately, sometimes those injuries result in death. And this is the third video in a series I'm doing on what is called in Texas a wrongful death claim, which is established by a specific law in Texas. And in this video, I want to talk about what a surviving adult child is entitled to for the loss of a parent. Once a child, of course, has reached majority and left the home and is making their own living and has their education, has their own family, the kinds of damages that they're going to have as the result of a claim like this are going to be different than if they're still a minor child. But the categories are still the same. The categories are still pecuniary loss, which is any money that that parent would have given to that child, or any advice that that parent would have given that child. And when it's an adult child out living on their own, the kinds of things like advice in, say, an investment matter or in a job decision, those become more valuable than just the mere earnings of the parent, because those are the things that adult children look to their parents for. The second thing that an adult child can recover is the companionship and society of that parent. Whether it's a man or a woman, it doesn't matter. Whichever parent it is, whether it's the mother or the father, it's their relationship with the child and what that relationship itself is worth. Also, an adult child is entitled to recover compensation for their mental anguish as a result of the parent's death. It's a premature death. It's a death that should have never happened, and that can cause severe mental anguish in an adult child who's lost their parent, and it's compensable. Also, if it appears that the child is going to receive some inheritance from the parent, if that inheritance would have increased over the years because the parent was still working or still increasing their income and adding to their estate, the adult child can also recover those kinds of damages. So although the specific damages are different, the category of damages are still the same for an adult child or a minor child. And in the next video, I'll talk about the recovery by a minor child.